Hello, have a beautiful good morning to my dear students. How are you students? I hope you are fine. This is your English class. Sound of I. Today we are going to read and write sound of I. Okay. We are going to read and write two letters word. Two letters together make one sound. I, B, ib. I, E, B, B, ib. I, B, ib. I means क्या होता है? I means होता है E. I means E. I, D. I, D, id. I, F. I, F, if. I, G. I, G, ig. I, G, ig. I, E, G, G, ig. I, J. I, J, ij. I, C, K. I, C, K, ik. I, C, K, ik. I, double L. I, double L, ill. I, double L, ill. I, M. I, M, im. I, N. I, N, in. I, P. I, P, ip. I, R. I, R, ir. I, S. I, S, is. I, T. I, T, it. I, V. I, V, iv. I, X. I, X, x. I, Z. I, Z, is. Not is, is. J means Z. E, Z means Z. E, Z, is. Okay. Thank you, beta. Bye. Have a good